I have been doing Shopify dropshipping from 2017, and in today's video I am going to share the exact strategy I have used to generate $1 million in sales in 2018 in only 12 months. And these are all steps you have to take once you are going to start your own Shopify store from scratch by sitting anywhere in the world. Before moving further, let's learn about what is a dropshipping business. A dropshipping model is a simple business when customer places the order on your store and you simply place the order with the supplier, and you have already opened the account with your supplier, and supplier ship the product directly to your customer without knowing them that they are shipping on behalf of you. So you are just making the commission on the product which you are selling on your Shopify store. So I have divided this video into two parts. The first part is related to my own Shopify business, which I am doing from 2017, and second part is related to Shopify tutorial. In this tutorial, I will explain you what are the Shopify business models people doing nowadays and how they are doing dropshipping nowadays in 2023. I landed my first job in an e-commerce company called Handtech in 2014, and my job responsibility was to handle the Amazon account of the company. And I was looking into logistics, I was looking into sourcing, where we are going to source the products. I was looking into warehousing, and I was looking into customer products as well, and pricing on the Amazon store as well. In 2016, I moved to Australia and I decided to start my own Shopify business. So basic idea was to find a winner product which we can sell in Australian market. After finding a winning product on AliExpress, I just created a Facebook page, took good product photos and put them on Facebook page, and started advertising that Facebook page on a couple of bucks a day. So that was the first idea to generate sales through Facebook, by engaging the people through Facebook and targeting them with their behavior, with their interest. Facebook works in that way. If you are looking to search a product on Google, or if you are looking to search a product on Facebook, so most of the time Facebook will show you the products you are going to search on Google. They are checking your interest in which products you are taking more interest. I was targeting the bedding category of the product. People who are looking to buy bedding products or people who are searching for bedding products, Facebook was showing my ads to that category of people, and they are mostly the moms who are looking to buy the gift for their grandchildren, for their children, and for their parents. After getting few likes and engagement on my Facebook page in 2018, I was making a couple of dollars in sales, and I was just scaling my store. Once you got plenty of engagement on the Facebook, they probably visit your Facebook shop, they probably visit your Shopify store, or once they visit your Shopify store, you have plenty of good products. Make sure you have the reviews set up. So after running ads for a couple of months in the start, I generated my $40,000 in sales. That was the time I thought Shopify dropshipping is going to work for me. So in next couple of months, I generated $100,000 in sales. And at the end of year during Christmas, I generated $1 million in sales on my Shopify dropshipping store. And that was all done by doing dropshipping. Now I come to second point of my video, and people are saying nowadays that dropshipping is dead and dropshipping is not going to work anymore, and there is a lot of competition in dropshipping nowadays. These are the all steps I am going to mention with you. You have to take if you are going to start your own dropshipping business today. The very first step you have to take is you have to find winning products. These products can be easily sourced from AliExpress, from the plenty of other suppliers in your country from where you are doing the business. So finding winning products is the key to your success in dropshipping business. If you find a winner which is getting plenty of likes on TikTok, plenty of likes on other social media platforms, you can simply order that product. You can simply test that product in your own dropshipping store. Once you have got a winner, you have to got the product which is solving people actual problem. All right, so you have to find a product which is solving people actual problem in real life, and then you have to source that product from AliExpress or from other websites. Spocket is trending nowadays in US market. You can just check the products from Spocket. They have plenty of products, and they just synchronize with your Shopify store. Once you order from Spocket, they just integrate with your Shopify store. Once you got the order, Spocket automatically fulfill that order to your customer by checking the shipping address and their details in your Shopify dashboard. In my case, Duvet cover was my winner products, and I was sourcing that product from the AliExpress and selling those in Australia. TikTok was not famous in those days. I was just checking the products by using the different tools on Facebook as well. Product which is solving the people problem, and in my case that was Duvet cover, which I was sourcing from AliExpress and I was selling in Australia through dropshipping business model. So you have to check the winning products which is solving people problem in real life, and then you will have to source from AliExpress, from other websites. You can source from Spocket as well. They have the data of US suppliers which they have their own warehouse in the US, and they can ship dirty products to your customers. The second thing which comes is Shopify store design. You have to make your store clean. You have to put all the pages, shipping information, your contact details, your all social media details on your Shopify store. You have to put product description, you have to make good photos. Make sure you have your live chat button enabled as well, because most of the time people want to know, curious about the product, they want to know about the product, they want to know shipping policy. Shopify have their own Shopify inbox as well. You can install the Shopify inbox as well, from where people can chat directly with you once they visit your store. The other next thing is installing payment gateways. If you are doing your business in US, Shopify payments is available over there. You can go in settings and you can install Shopify payments, you can install PayPal, you can install Afterpay, and you can install Amazon Pay as well. Make sure to install as much payment gateways as possible, because many people have the account with PayPal, many people have the account with Afterpay and other payment gateways. So once they visit your store, they will be able to check which payment gateway they are going to use. It will boost your conversion rate for your store, and there will be less abandoned checkout on your Shopify website. Once you have all the things ready, now it's time to advertise your products. The first thing you can do is just take the good videos of your product and you can put that on TikTok. Plenty of people doing TikTok videos nowadays. They are simply just promoting their products on TikTok, and TikTok gives you an option to add a store link once you have 1,000 followers. And people who are visiting your TikTok page, they can simply click on that link and they will be redirected to your store on Shopify, and they can simply check out the product and place the order. That is a way of promoting free products on the TikTok. You can do paid ads on TikTok, you can do paid ads on Facebook, you can do paid ads on Instagram. There are plenty of ways you can do paid ads, but that is a way of promoting your products for free on TikTok, because many people are promoting their products for free. You can check, if you check on Amazon Finds, many people are promoting Amazon products, and once people visit their store, they just earn an affiliate commission. Plenty of people use TikTok nowadays, and TikTok has grown tremendously in the past few years in US and other countries. Your one good video can get up to million of views on TikTok, and this just one viral video can generate thousands of dollars in sales on your Shopify store. Once you have found a winner product and you are generating sale, now it's time to order the winning products in bulk and put them in your own warehouse. In that way, your shipping time will be reduced. You will be able to provide good customer service to your customer, because your shipping time will be reduced. In most of the time, once you are getting your order shipped from AliExpress or other suppliers, they take 10 to 12 days. But once you have got the winner, you can order in bulk and you can put them on your own warehouse. Once customer places the order, you can simply ship the order in 3 to 4 days, and that is a normal shipping time for most of the business. People put the more good reviews, and your returning customer rate is high. People are putting more orders on your store, they are coming back to your store, they are placing more orders with you, because your shipping time has been reduced. Your customer service is great. Now your store is a brand. You are going to order bulk and you are putting the products on your own warehouse, and you can convert that store into an authentic brand. I hope this video will help you to build your own Shopify dropshipping store if you are going to start from scratch. If you like the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It will help me to create more content like this. See you next time. Bye bye.